to develop new knowledge and technologies,
and transform human resources
into productive citizenry
to bring about development impact
to the local and international communities.
And EUST is a locally responsive
and internationally relevant
and recognized university of science and technology.
Transforming communities
through science and technology.
In the days gone by, our school was just a simple one.
Now it moves to greater heights with a symbol that will ever shine.
We give a toast to Mentorship, who works to make a great NEUST.
Oh, here is the campus pride, the NEUST.
it thrives through all the years.
Let's forever be loyal and true.
Oh, here is the nation's call for better you tomorrow.
Hail to dear alma mater, let us all work with our might.
Keep achieving for the glory of the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. Oh, here is the campus pride, the NEUST.
It thrives through all the years. Let's forever be loyal and true.
Oh, here is the nation's call for better you tomorrow.
Hail to dear alma mater, let us all work with our might.
Keep achieving for the glory of the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology.